Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps and games from your Google Play library using the latest Play Store update. This method is quick, simple, and works perfectly if you want to remove apps you no longer use or just keep your Play Store clean. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store app. Now, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Next, tap on Manage Apps and Device. It's going to open the Overview tab right beside it. Tap on Manage. At the top, you'll see a section that says This Device. Tap on it. Then choose Not Installed. Once you see the list of all your apps that are not currently installed, tap on the app you want to hide. After that, you'll see a Delete Can icon appear at the top. Tap on it. Then it will show a Remove option. Just tap Remove. And that's it. The app or game is now hidden from your Google Play history. You can repeat the same process for as many apps as you want to remove. This feature is really helpful if you've had your Google account for a long time and have a bunch of old apps or games you don't even recognize anymore. It keeps your library neat and makes it easier to find the apps you actually care about. Plus, even after removing them, you can always reinstall those apps anytime, so don't worry, you're not losing access, just cleaning up your list. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.